Welcome to our comparison of the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine Mini. Today, we're diving into the features, pricing, and usability of these two popular models. The Comfee is a larger, feature-rich option, while the Mini is a compact and budget-friendly choice. Let's see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine offers a substantial 0.9 cubic feet of space, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the Portable Washing Machine Mini has a capacity of 11 liters, which is ideal for smaller items or quick washes. If you frequently do laundry for multiple people, the Comfee may be the better choice, while the Mini is perfect for individuals or couples. Price is a significant factor in choosing a washing machine. The Comfee comes with a price tag of $249, reflecting its larger capacity and advanced features. On the other hand, the Portable Washing Machine Mini is priced at just $79, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, consider what features are essential for your laundry needs before making a decision. In terms of features, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine stands out with 5 wash cycles, including heavy, soft, and rapid options. This variety allows for a more tailored washing experience. In contrast, the Portable Washing Machine Mini offers 3 timer modes, which are simpler but may not meet the needs of users looking for more washing options. If versatility is important to you, the Comfee is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine Mini have their strengths and weaknesses. The Comfee is perfect for those who need a larger capacity and more features, while the Mini is ideal for those who prioritize portability and affordability. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.